Okay, well, this is for Telstar Electronics. And I'm just wondering if they got the balls to post this video on their site. Now they're posting my videos and bashing and bashing and hating and bashing. You know, this is a 50 amp. It has 16 volt caps in it. It is modifiable up to 23 volts if you change the caps to 25 volt electrolytic capacitors. So they're going to be run at 15 or 15.5, and that's it, unless you change the caps. There are 4 of them in here. This is a 30 amp power supply. It has 25 volt electrolytic capacitors in it. Now the whole thing is not about the voltage, the capacitors, anything like that. The whole thing is about, you don't need all that fancy equipment. That's right. I'm just an Alabama redneck boy. And I'm going to show you. I don't need your fancy equipment. And I bet this don't get posted on their Facebook page. I'm not hating on them. I'm just trying to see if they are going to post this video or not. Which, in all honesty, I hope they do. Because this is going to be an informative video. Now, they are bashing and hating on me, but that's okay. I don't mind. I love haters. It's fine. Anyway. Okay, I have my radio set, volume set. Okay. Now I am going to turn on the 50 amp power supply. This is the coax coming from my watt meter going into my radio. Okay, this is the input. Okay, and it is on dummy load, but anyway, it don't matter. These things make so much noise on your receive, it is ungodly. Anyway, here we go. I'm gonna flip the switch. That's all I have to do. That's as far as I need to put it. I'm gonna flip the switch. I'm not messing with the volume. I'm not messing with anything. There's my speaker. I'm fixing to flip the switch. On. Power supply off. Now it's quiet again. On. Power supply is off. Okay. I don't use these just for that reason. Now, I am going to take the very same thing and I'm going to put it in exactly the same distance to this power supply. And I am going to turn it on. I'm not messing with the volume. Y'all see I'm focused right here. There's my speaker. And now I'm going to turn the power supply on. Did y'all hear anything? Did y'all hear any noise? Power supply's on. It's right there. Oh Lord. I got quiet power supplies. No noise in your receive whatsoever. And cut it off. Oh, look at that. No noise. Turn it back on. We'll turn it back on. Let's see if you hear the noise. Oh no. You ain't heard a squat. You know what? Those dumbass redneck boys here in Alabama, we got our mess together. We don't need fancy equipment. We know how to do it without it. You know why? Because we're smart. And we ain't gonna spend all that damn money. Oh Lord. Let me cut it off. It's off. Now I want to go back to this one. Hell, I can leave it over here. I don't even have to have it over there. I can leave it right here. I put it that far away. I don't even have to put it over there. Oh, get ready. I'm fixing fired up. Woo! Good God Almighty. You hear all that switching noise? Oh, Lord. Here, okay, let's be fair. Let's be fair. Let's be fair. Let's be fair. I can move it out of the way, and it's going to get quiet. I get close, it's going to get loud. Away, quiet. Close, loud. Close, loud. Away, quiet. Woo! Good God Almighty. Oh, thank God that thing finally shut down all that noise. And you're hearing that noise in your receive, too. I'm going to turn on the 30. Oh, here it is. There we go. I don't hear nothing. I don't hear nothing but the fan running. Oh, Lord. Ain't nothing changed. Far away, close, far away, close, close, far away, close, far away. Oh, Lord, have mercy. That's right. Oh, Lord. I just had to make this video. I don't hate on nobody. I don't bash on nobody. And I ain't trying to create any problems. I just simply wanted to show Telstar Communications, which has also blocked me from posting anything on their Facebook page after I made a comment, which is fine. Take your fancy equipment, do what you got to do. 50 amp. Woo! Good God Almighty. Lord have mercy. Oh, please shut it off. Woo! Man, oh man. Oh, Lord. I don't think Telstar is going to post this. Because he might actually learn the easy way to do something. And he don't want to show nobody. But I ain't hating on you, man. Peace to you, brother. You know, you can be a hater if you want. All I did is I simply just showed you an easy way to do it without all that fancy equipment. I am not hating. I love it when you post my videos on your page and you're bashing me. I like nothing more. Because you know what? A whole lot of people, even though they're out there agreeing and bashing me right along with you, they are learning. And they are even though they don't want to admit it. They know that when I prototype, the prototyping is good, and you know that yourself. But anyway, all right, this is my prototype stuff. I'm working on variables, variable supplies. Now, I ain't gonna post that because I'm keeping that a secret. So, I mean, but I have been doing it. I have 4 here and 2 more ready for the variable. And I just want to show this. Us Alabama redneck boys, us Southern boys, we do not need the fancy equipment. Because you know what? We know how to do stuff redneck style. And it works. Do you see any fancy equipment here? Huh? That's right, talk about it. Talk about the junk. Go ahead. You see anything fancy here? Oh Lord, I don't need it. I dare you to post this video. I'm challenging you to it. I'm not hating on you, dude. I'm just posting a video just to see if it gets posted to your page. I don't care if you block me. It don't matter to me. I'm not insecure at all. Okay? No insecurities here. I love haters.